Step into a vision taking shape. The Diplomat. A statement of elegance crafted for the modern professional. Twin towers of sleek glass. A glimpse into a life where design meets comfort. From spacious penthouses to meticulously designed apartments, every inch whispers luxury. From open-plan living, panoramic views, and upscale interiors that redefine the Gambia's skyline, now under active construction. The Diplomat is more than a building. It's the future of urban living, unfolding floor by floor.